Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change the copyright color in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.ss. You'll see a file named base.ss. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter. Next, we'll visit the hostube.net website. The link's in the description with the code we'll use. Just click the copy button, then go back to Shopify and paste it in the blank line. After pasting, edit 2 lines to change the copyright color. First line for background, second for copyright text color. To change the background, enter the desired color code here. If unsure, check the HostTube site linked in the comments. Simply copy that URL. On that page, you'll find a full color palette to choose from. Pick your shade and it'll display below. After choosing the color tone, it'll show correctly and you can click to copy it. The code's copied. Go back to Shopify, find the hashtag, delete it, and paste the new color code. I'll leave the old code, but that's how you switch to your desired color. Below, you'll find the text color option. Here, you'll enter the color name. It's white by default, but you can change it to any color you want. For blue, just type blue. Remember to use English color names here. You can choose any color you like. Red, black, or any other color name will work. I'll keep the default white. After setting colors, click Save in the top right. Once saved, your changes are successfully applied. Check your store. Scroll down to see your copyright with the new colors. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.